Every man reaches a point where he looks in the mirror and knows he's meant for more. Not more money, not more noise, more discipline, more clarity, more fire in the eyes. And that change doesn't come overnight, it comes every morning. Before the sun rises, the world is quiet. That's when the strong rebuild themselves. You rise with the alarm, no hesitation. You drink water before words. You face the silence before you face the world. Move your body, not for looks, for respect. Every rep, every breath tells your mind, I'm still in control. Then sit down. Write 3 things you'll do today. Something for your body, your mind, and your purpose. Do them, even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Because that's how men are made. Not in comfort, but in consistency. Do this for 30 mornings, and you won't recognize the person staring back at you. The tired eyes will be sharper, the shoulders torn straighter, the voice stronger. And you'll realize the truth our fathers knew. You don't wait for motivation, you earn it, one sunrise at a time.